evening, everyone. I thank all the resource persons for helping us, and we also thank the ATAL FDP for sponsoring this program. So once again, I congratulate every one of you and thank you.
Respected dignitaries, esteemed guests, faculty members, and my dear participants.
So good evening to everybody. This is Dr. Umanath. I would like to thank HOD Civil Engineering of the SSN College for the overwhelming introduction. It starts from the central positions with the low pressures, so that is called eye. So surrounded by the wind patterns, that is called eye walls. The pile can be calculated. Right? Here is your test pile. Here the
quicksand condition possible during cyclone.
Yeah, quicksand condition is the byproduct of liquefaction. Happy to meet such a huge number. The time of 740 is it's not a joke. If you are not actually really interesting, you cannot be here. Thank you all.
Management team, students and ladies and gentlemen who are joining the session. Thank you so much for giving this valuable time. This is the resilient infrastructure for the cyclone-prone areas, and this is mainly for lessons learned from the Pacific Islands. Hope for easy access, because of if you are ordering any materials, it will not available very easily because we are the flood rates. Use of locally available materials to reduce cost and ensure cultural appropriate. Because of once the cyclone crossed our area, then I hope that everyone will be understand about the cyclone resistant infrastructure in Pacific regions, which was a lesson learned from my side.
His academic background is structural engineering, and he is a structural consultant by profession, working in SF Infrastructure Solutions Private Limited in Chennai.
Industry, அதோட கனெக்டட்னஸ் என்ன, அது பாலிடிக்ஸோட எப்படி கனெக்ட் ஆகிருக்கோ, காலேஜ்ல படிக்கிறதுனால வரையோ, ஏதாவது ஒரு புயல் உங்களுக்கு ஞாபகம் இருக்கிற மாதிரி எங்கேயாவது கேள்விப்படுறீங்களா அப்படின்னா நிச்சயமா இருக்காது. ஓரியன்டேஷன் இருக்குதா, சைட் ஓரியன்டேஷன் இருக்கா அப்படிங்கறத செக் பண்றது, அதுக்கு அந்த மாதிரி பிளான் பண்றது, இதெல்லாம் ரொம்ப முக்கியமான ஒரு விஷயமாக இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு நினைக்கிறேன். மொத்தமா சொல்லணும் அப்படின்னா நம்முடைய கனவு இல்லம் அப்படிங்கிறது இந்த மாதிரியான அதாவது ரெகுலேஷன்ஸ் அண்ட் கைட்லைன்ஸ் இருக்குதா அப்படின்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஆக்சுவலா இந்த எக்கனாமிக் சிஸ்டத்துக்குள்ள அந்த எக்கனாமிக் சிஸ்டம் அதுக்கான ஒரு ரெகுலேஷன்ஸை வச்சிருக்காங்க.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Good evening, everyone. We are now ready to begin our session 4. It is my great pleasure to welcome our esteemed speaker, Engineer Sethu Madhavan, sir.
Good evening, all of you. I think this will be interesting for you. So, before begin, first of all, I thank SSM Institute of Engineering Technology Dindigul, elevated, and it is floating on the hull. And once the locations are reached, we will be lowering the legs slowly. Regulatory compliance we may need to attain, because drilling in offshore, we may need to collect the data for 100 years. What is the wave height? What is the hydrodynamic load?
Welcome you all for the third session on resilient infrastructure for cyclone-prone areas. We are privileged to have with us Dr. R. Ponudurai sir.
Okay, good evening to all present here. Given is risk mitigation and capacity enhancement in the earthquake disaster, so that the block dot will get compressed and dilated. That's what happens in the building also. Shear gets accumulated at the bottom always. Maximum shear is expected to happen only at the bottom. But here we have given open study. There is no resistance to shear here at the bottom. Thank you for patient hearing for 2 hours almost. It is not possible to sit at a single place.
Welcome to the 6th session. It's our great honor to introduce our esteemed chief guest. We are privileged to have with us Dr. Tenmali, professor and head of the department of Government College of Technology, Coimbatore.
Thank you. Very good evening to one and all present here. And first of all, my appreciations to the organizers of the program for having chosen a very nice topic. Normally, people are choosing the earthquake-resistant design of structures in all those things related with only to the seismic area only. But whereas in Tamil Nadu, we are less prone to the almost nil. Am I right, madam? So we are just having we are exposed to mostly the flood and cyclone, and avoid openings just below the roof level, except for 2 small vent. Small vent you could do. Constructing this row houses, we can go for a zigzag plan. So this will avoid the wind effect. I am very happy to answer for a few questions. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
A big thank you, all of the attendees. See you all on tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you for patient hearing in this late night 9:10 now.
Thank you. Participants, it is my privilege to welcome you all to the day 4 of the ATAL-sponsored Online Faculty Development Program. For the first session today, it is an honor to introduce Dr. J. Rajesh Balu.
And raising global average sea level. Okay, 11 of the last 12 years, changes in temperature and precipitation pattern will lead to changes in crop yields also. Okay.
So welcome to this session. The topic given to me is the ductile detailing confinement is from this end to this end. By providing a cross-link, so at any cost about the joint, these moments will not act as a counteracting moment. Instead of that, these moments
Additional concrete able to be ductile. Have ductility property.
No. Okay, the ductility is mainly depending on the confinement.
Participants for the key involvement making this session a meaningful and enriching experience. Thank you all. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Good evening. This is the time to intro our today's session chief guest, Dr. Sri Bala Kameshwari, Senior Principal Scientist.
Very good evening to all of you. So this is Dr. Bala Kameshwari. So I'm going to talk about water and climatic resiliency areas where you have completely downstream area is highly sloped. Then how you have to do for this, you have to think of. When the water level increases, the structure will float, or we can able to withstand for the upflow of this water body. So water pressure, how much it can able to sustain. Thank you very much.
Hello, welcome to the second session of today. I am pleased to introduce Dr. S. Adis Kumar.
Very good evening to all. From the automobiles. So we are supposed to try to reduce the emission of greenhouse gases to the atmosphere. Severe impact on ecosystem and human health. That's supposed to be the very important thing, human health risk image. So thank you, participants.
Thank you, sir.
Today marks our 6th and final day. We are very much happy and thankful to all the participants who have joined us today and all these days. Session 11 will be delivered by Dr. Jeeva Sendrayan.
So thank you very much for giving this opportunity to take, interact with the faculties. So moreover, this critical infrastructure like roads and railways and telecommunication, this power and energy together almost, total 80% to sometimes, there how much damage it could have been happened. This digitalization, it will helpful to future studies and future how we can go for even overall how it is affecting and
wonderful session. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you all.
Dr. Ashok Kumar Varadarajan, a senior business analyst and project manager at over 17 years of experience in IT and process manufacturing industries.
Good afternoon, one and all. So I just want to have this as a MES-driven automation for resilient infrastructure. So this is a typical dashboard where we see the OE of the machines, OE operate overall equipment effectiveness, and also the downtime which is needs because for this one. Might be a safety protocols to be and on the real-time data and automation, and where we can just implement some of the protocols on the UC or the.
Wishing you all the best for all your endeavors, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
So, dear participants, now for the final session, we have Dr. O. Parthiba Karthikeyan. He is currently the Director of Austin Elements.
Thank you. Good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to my presentation. My title is very clear, like lithium battery for energy storage and supply for cyclone-prone area. So the future is going to be on these energy metals. So we thought that focusing on recovering energy metals and value metals from the waste resources, future world is going to look like, or the focus is mainly on hydrogen energy and lithium battery power, and Amara Roche developing a battery energy storage solutions for uninterrupted energy supply in cyclone-prone areas by providing a grid stability.
We have got a very clear and concise style. Thank you for the informative presentation, sir. Once again, thank you for being a part of this FDP.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thanks. Just this cyclones also. For that, this FDP was eye-opening, and the sessions taken by Umanath Tanna and Dr. Santakumar sir and Thainmoli ma'am, Dr. Pondudurai sir were extremely useful and very informative.
Thank you once again for your participation and making this FDP very successfully. I wish you all the best for your endeavor and thank you very much. Thank you, one and all present here.